Hello, dear students. Welcome to today's class. In this class, we are going to learn Class 10 Social Science Textbook from Karnataka Government Board, Chapter number 15, Economics Part, Economy and Government. This is Suhail here. Let's learn in this class what we are going to learn the basic concepts. First of all, we'll understand what is the relation between India's government as well as economy, the planning of India, Green Revolution, 5-year plans, and their achievements. Before learning the class, understand concept of economy and government and what is the relation between economy and government. Earlier days, the government works towards improvement of human welfare, and now the problem arises that should the government interfere in man's economic activities? If yes, what is the role of the government in economic development? Like till the end of the 19th century, government was not involving in any economic activity of human being. But later, when it comes to 20th century, with the rise of welfare states, government started to involve in these all activities. For example, like giving shelter or food, clothing, or health, hygiene, transport, communication, so and so on. When government started to give these all things, government began involving itself in these economic activities and started to got to that the economic development is taking place. When economic development is taking place, then obviously government will involve in these all activities because developing countries also lack in transport, communication, electricity, education, health, etc. When they are lacking in these all sectors, when government is trying to implement some activities, some rules and regulations in the economy, these all transport, communication, health, hygiene, electricity, these all sectors will improve, all develop. When this all develop, obviously the nation will develop. An economic system is characterized by fluctuation in the national income, production, employment, investment, price, etc. And these such changes are called as economic fluctuations. Remember that point carefully. And when an economy moves towards progress without any fluctuations, that economy will be stable. It will not fluctuate more, it will be stable. When we all have this kind of economic activity, the problem is the economy is not distributed equally. There is a discrimination in the base of like caste, literate, illiterate, urban, rural. But without discrimination, they should be given equally. Wealth should be generated equally to everyone. That is then we call social justice. Now it's a government's huge responsibility to balance social justice as well as economic stability. Let's understand one by one. Before that, in 1929, Soviet Union, the Soviet Russia, implemented the economic plan and emerged successfully. They implemented first time economic plan. After that, in the World War II, many countries implemented economic plan. In India also we implemented economic plan. Let's understand what is economic plan. The planning in India. For example, you are as learning in 10th standard, you have to make a proper planning for your exams. The timetable, when you are getting, when you are going to sleep, what is your priority, which subjects you are studying on time. This all you will plan, then will success. The same in India. To get achievements in the economy, India has to plan something. And the modern planning in India by Sir M. Visvesvaraya book wrote Planned Economy. And India the first time Sir M. Visvesvaraya given the topic of modern planning. And Sir M. Visvesvaraya is also called as father of economic planning in India. And father of economic planning in India, Sir M. Visvesvaraya called after independence of India government formed this commission, and the chairman of the commission was Prime Minister, and all the state chief ministers are the member of that council. In 1952, remember carefully, in 1952, the National Development Council was established. In this National Development Council, in 1952, the chief minister of all the states are members of this board, and they all planned for the 5 year plans. For the 5 year plans. Right now also we have 5 year plan. Let's get understand one by one what is 5 year plan. India's first 5 year plan. These 5 year plans, as you can see on the right side, we have chart. For in a textbook page number 112, you can refer for more information. The 5 year plan about economy about of India, how to implement, what are the objectives, this all thing it will plan. The first 5 year plan was implemented on 1st April 1951 with certain some objectives. Every 5 year plan has certain some objectives. These all objectives, the right side what you can see, the 12 plans. In these all objectives, main objectives of the primary objectives of the 5 year plan was eradication of poverty, to remove the poverty from India. And the second, to improve the standard of living of Indians. And in the next class, we'll discuss other plans as well as the different categories and achievements of the 5 year plan. Before that, understand carefully the 5 year plan increasing the production to the maximum extent possible, increasing the employment opportunities, reducing the economic disparities, ensuring economic stability, modernizing the economy, etc. These are the objectives to be attained as a complementary and contribute to eradicate the poverty. To remove this poverty, we have to follow these all 5 points mainly. And remaining concepts like achievements of 5 year plan, these all concepts, remaining concepts we'll discuss in the next video. Till then, take care and subscribe and like and share the video. Thank you.